Namaste everyone and welcome back to my channel Lawgically Legal. I'm Sumit Arora and today I'm going to talk about a fundamental aspect of our legal system which everybody has to go through at one time or another. Filing a police complaint or FIR in India. In today's episode, I'll be covering certain crucial elements such as how to file a complaint or FIR in a police station, what if police denies to file your complaint or the FIR, how to retain a copy of the FIR or the complaint, and what is the last resort if police denies either filing an FIR or providing you the copy. Whether you have been a victim or witnessed a crime, knowing how to file a complaint is your right, and it's a crucial step towards seeking justice. So, how to file a complaint or FIR in a police station? Thanks to Integrated Complaint Management System, which is ICMS, now FIRs can be filed online at the comfort of your home without being harassed by a policeman. All you have to do is Google online complaint registration, then the name of your state such as Kerala, Karnataka, Delhi, and you'll find the relevant link to the corresponding state. This system has been operating all across India in great capacity but still not at 100%. So if this way does not work for you, you'll need to register the complaint or the FIR the old way, which is by visiting your nearest police station and make sure that the police station is in the jurisdiction where the incident has occurred. You need to provide all the accurate details. Always remember, when filing your complaint, ensure you provide precise information about the incident, including the date, time, location, and individuals involved. Stay calm and polite and be respectful while dealing with police officers. Now, after this, you also need to ensure that you request a copy of the same. After submitting your complaint, ask for a receipt and a copy of the FIR. Receipt will be the stamped and signed copy of the complaint by the officer in charge. Do not forget to follow up. Keep track of the investigation's progress by following up with the police regularly. Remember, it's essential to assert your rights and demand that your complaint is duly registered as an FIR. Don't be deterred or discouraged. By knowing your rights and staying informed, you can navigate the process of filing a police complaint or FIR with confidence. Now, what if police denies to file your complaint or FIR, which happens in most of the cases? Most people come to me and ask me that police is not registering FIR, what should I do? So, in case police denies to file your complaint or FIR, you can always reach their seniors or super seniors at DCP office or SP office, etc. All you have to do is write the complaint on a piece of paper, providing precise information about the incident, including the date, time, location, and individuals involved, and send it via speed post or registered post to the concerned office of the area. The address of the area or the DCP office or the SP office can easily be found on Google. Always keep the postal receipt safe with you. It would work as an evidence that your complaint has been lodged with the SP or DCP office. This process ensures that your complaint has been registered. How to retain a copy of the FIR? You have a legal right to receive a copy of the FIR from the police after it is registered. However, most policemen do not provide you the FIR copy for unsafe reasons, may it be social harassment, bribery, and so on. Request them, or unfortunately, if they do not provide you the same, you might need to pay upfront. Online FIRs can also be downloaded online if you have the FIR number and it does not contain a grievous offense or does not contain information regarding a case which is in limelight. Now, the most important of all, what is the last resort if police denies either filing an FIR or providing you the copy? If nothing works for you as desired, I would always recommend you to lawyer up. It would cost you a bit, but it would also save you. Filing a police complaint or FIR in India is your right and it is a crucial step towards seeking justice. However, most policemen do not let you file the FIR or complaint on your own. Well, stay informed, be assertive, and remember that the law is on your side. As Sri Krishna quoted, it is a sin to commit injustice, but it is a greater sin to tolerate injustice. If you found today's episode valuable, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with others who need to know their rights. Thank you for joining me today. Let's stay in touch on social media platforms via Lawgically Legal. Stay informed, stay strong, and remember, justice prevails when we stand up for our rights. Bye-bye and take care.